Good day, this is Marlon Radok, the Chief Marketing Officer of Zookify. I know curious ka, ano ba yung Zookify platform? Ano ba yung meron sa Zookify? And yun yung isi-share ko sa iyo. Few minutes lang para maintindihan mo kung gaano kaganda yung platform na hawak ko. Number one, alam ko lahat tayo gumagastos, tama? Pamasahe, transportation, load, at kung anong mga gastusin, tuition, bayad ng kuryente, lahat na. Given na yan. Ang tanong, may savings ka ba? Baka ang sagot, wala. Tama? Okay lang yan. Kasi sa Zookify platform, number one, nagagawin natin yung expenses mo, no, will turn into savings. Gusto mo ba yun? Tama? And pangalawa, yung cellphone na hawak mo, gawin natin income generator. Okay ba sa'yo yun? Na gumagamit ka ng cellphone, gumagastos ka ng load, nag-scroll ka, this time, magiging income generator siya. Yan yung platform na hawak ni Zookify. And pangatlo, if you are a Zookify member, yung cellphone mo mismo as income generator, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Yung Zookify platform natin, meron na siyang Zookify app. At hindi lang yan. You can download hindi lang sa Google Play, sa mga Android, mga gadget natin, but even in your iPhone. Because we have a Zookify app and you can download in your App Store. You heard it right, App Store. Kasi napaka-legit ng ating company, sobrang amazing, and sobrang ganda talaga ng ating platform. Kasi available na siya through your iPhone or your Android phone. You can download our Zookify app. So ano ba talaga si Zookify? Gusto ko lang i-clarify, hindi po tayo networking. I've been to networking for the last 10 years. Grateful ako sa industry na yan. Happy ako dyan. But Zookify is not a networking. It's a membership platform. Again, membership platform. Parang yung mga fitness gym, no, na member ka, na mga membership, like Anytime Fitness, Fitness First, di ba? Membership platform siya, na kapag hindi ka bayad sa membership mo, hindi ka pwedeng magbuhat o mag-gym. So parang ganon. Hindi lang yun, mga fraternity, like Eagles. So, it's a membership platform. Benay na mayroong membership fee, and marami pa. Running club, boxing club, mountaineering club, lahat ng mga membership platform, it is same as Zookify. Ano pa ba yung example ng membership? Of course, Landers, di ba? Or SNR, di ba? Membership yun. And ito, alam mo to, cooperative. Baka member ka ng isang cooperative. Tama? So, it is the same. It's a membership platform, but what set apart with Zookify is Zookify has an opportunity na pwede kang kumita, makapag-discount, and of course, makapag-save. Higit sa lahat, yung income opportunity na hawak ni Zookify. Yun yung ma-enjoy mo. So, hindi lang siya ordinary membership platform, but it's a membership platform na mas tinatawag nating game changer. Kasi pwede kang kumita. Ito pa good news. We are a proud member of European Chamber of Commerce. So, if you search, no, Zookify, part tayo dyan. Ano sabi nila? Expand in Europe, you will have amazing. And hindi lang yan, with Zookify, hindi po tayo tumatanggap ng cash. Bakit? It's all digital. Pag nagbabayad ka ng membership mo, of course, yung nagbigay sa'yo ng link na to, siya rin yung magbibigay sa'yo ng link paano ka maging member. The moment na you receive that link, you fill it out mo, talagay mo yung details mo, lahat-lahat ng kailangan, and along the way, you will have an option how to pay your membership. Pwedeng GCash, PayMaya, or any bank. But of course, everything is digital. So, ibig sabihin, at your phone, pwede ka nang mag-register. Ngayon, ang tanong, magkano bang membership dyan? Paano ba simulan yan? Tama? Simple lang. Actually, the membership here is 1,888. You heard it right. Less than 2K lang or 1,888. Sobrang mura, diba? And the moment that you are a member, you can enjoy everything. Ano bang meron dyan? May produkto ba yan? Again, hindi po tayo networking. We are a membership platform. But, ano yung magkakaroon ka? Una, the moment that you are a member, you are entitled for an insurance. Accidental insurance worth 80,000 coverage. Ibig sabihin, insured ka na for 1 year by Stronghold. Accidental insurance. And the moment that you are a member of Zookify, you will enjoy the discount, the cashback, and of course, especially sa mga discount ng ating mga partnered merchant. Ano ba yung partnered merchant naman tayo? Sobrang dami. The moment that you are a member, you can enjoy the discount. Yung ating Zooki Plus, di ba? Yung ating meat and seafoods products na sobrang quality, sobrang fresh, sobrang sarap, di ba? As a member, hindi lang insurance meron ka. Of course, you're entitled for discounts. A lot of discounts because we have a lot of partner merchant na the moment na you are a Zookify member using your Zookify digital ID, you can avail those discounts. partnered like mga coffee shops, salon, dental clinics, restaurants like here in Cebu, Chubi Chubi, and there's many more. And abangan, Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Red Ribbon, Nationwide. Soon, there are partner merchant na magkakaroon ka rin ng discount. Kaya abangan mo yan. But the moment that you are a Zookify member, in your Zookify app, ito pa good news. Diba naglo-load tayo? Alam ko naglo-load ka. Ang tagal na. Using your Zookify app, you will have a discount. From Smart, Globe, Dito, Talk and Text, magkakaroon ka ng discount. 3.5% up to 4%. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-load ka ng 100, ang babayaran mo na lang 96 pesos. Pwede ka na mag-loader, di ba? May discount ka pa. Sobrang amazing. And hindi lang yan. Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa Zookify, yung income opportunity. The moment that you are a member of Zookify, of course, hindi siya dumaan sa mga advertisement, yung ating platform, dinaan siya through membership, through sa'yo. Ikaw yung magkukwento sa mga kakilala mo, mga kaibigan mo, sa magandang platform ng Zookify. Pag nagkwento ka, shinare mo tong video na to at nagustuhan nila yung platform and gusto nila maging member, enjoy everything, the discount, especially with our meat and seafoods. Sobrang ganda, fresh, clean, and safe, and affordable pa, diba? Sobrang amazing. Sila rin gusto din nila. At dahil sa'yo, nag-member sila. Dahil sa'yo, binigyan mo sila ng link, nag-fill out sila to become a member with 1888, ano meron ka. Every time na meron magpa-member sa'yo, because of you, magkakaroon ka ng 500 pesos. Sobrang amazing, di ba? Sobrang laking tulong sa'yo. Imagine mo, 1888 lang, membership ng mga kakilala mo. Meron kang 500. What if 10? Meron kang 5,000. What if 100? O meron kang 50,000 or more. Unlimited. Walang limit. Ito malupit. Yung kakilala mo, may kakilala din. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, yung kakilala nila, invite din nila. Ang malupit, meron ka ng 500 na direct mong napasali, yung mapapasali nila hanggang to the 4th level mo, you will earn 100 pesos. Ang tawag naman doon is indirect. Hindi mo na direct, pwedeng hindi mo nakakilala because sila nakapagpasali at ikaw naman yung pinakadahilan, meron kang 100 pesos up to the 4th level. Sobra mong may enjoy. Sobrang lawak niyan. And ano pa yung mas malupit? Ito yung pinaka-most awaited part. Bakit? Kaya mong kumita ng malaki dito, even hundreds of thousands or even million or multi-million. Ano? Through cashback. Kasi we are a membership platform. Ibig sabihin, dahil membership platform, bubuo ka ng mga members, bubuo ka ng community, and lahat sila member. Enjoy everything. Discount, perks, partnered merchants, load, lahat na. They will enjoy. And dahil may community ka, magkano ba ang membership fee? Magkano ba ang monthly membership fee? Magkano? 188 pesos. Sobrang mura lang. And with that, you can enjoy or they can enjoy everything. Discount, income, everything as a member of Zookify. And lahat ng members mo, the moment that they are paying the 188 pesos na sobrang affordable, sobrang sustainable, and sobrang amazing. Kasi realistic talaga. Kung i-divide mo yung 188 in 1 month or in 30 days, it is just only less than 7 pesos. Napakamura. Tama? Kaya lahat willing mag-pay monthly is because ang daming benefits at kaya mo pang kumita. Ano yung cashback? Magkano yung cashback na bawat member under you up to the 8th level? Yung indirect na sumali, na pasali mo up to the 4th level, eto yung cashback natin up to the 8th level. After nila sumali ng one-time membership ng 1888, after 1 month, doon na po magsisimula yung kanilang monthly membership na 188 pesos. At the moment yung grupo mo nag-monthly ng 188 pesos, meron kang cashback na 8.88 pesos. Ang lupit, tama? Paano pag dumami yan? Paano pag umabot ng 1,000? Meron kang 8,800, tama? Paano pag umabot yan ng 10,000? Imagine mo, almost 100,000 na yun. At ilan ba yung tao? Or ilan ba yung Pinoy sa Pilipinas? Pilipinas muna, more than 100 million. Cebu lang, kasi nasa Cebu ako. Imagine mo, 4 million, Metro Cebu. Davao, 4 million. Cagayan de Oro, almost 1 million. Metro Manila, 20 plus million. At more. You can expand nationwide or even international. Kasi kahit nasa abroad ka, pwede mong i-share yung program ng Zookify sa family mo sa Pinas. Tama? Yung load, yung mga discount, lahat. Kaya kahit nasa abroad, they can also do the business. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-share mo lang itong video na to. Pag nagustuhan nila yung platform, they can be part of your community. Again, sa lahat ng grupong i-build mo up to the 8th level, meron kang cashback na 8.88 pesos. Sobrang amazing. Kasi hindi mo namamalayan, you build your community, you share the platform, nakapag-discount sila, natulungan sila, kumikita ka pa. And again, this is Marlon Radok. Excited ako na maging part ka ng community ng Zookify. At excited ako na mag-build ka ng sarili mong community na Kasi hindi ka lang nakakatulong sa karamihan, hindi ka lang nakakatulong sa mga kakilala mo, sure ako, kikita ka pa ng malaki. Let's start your business. Start this 2026, the best year ever.